and quite frankly they're quite confusing, and I found the easiest way is just with 2 sheets of newspaper. If I can find, here we go, look at that, just happen to have 2 sheets of newspaper. Here's a clue too, I didn't realise this, and Blake, a smithing friend of mine showed me. Oh my God, how cool is that? When you try and rip paper up, see, you just, it's all raggedy. But if you go a long way, you can literally tear it into nice, fine, thin strips. So I'm guessing paper is a lot like material and has grain to follow. Yeah. All I do, this is charcoal. I don't know if you've seen the video of me making charcoal, but this is the charcoal that I make. And I just break all that paper up so it's all nice and loose. Then scrunch it all together. Oh look, I've seen, I forget what they call their special sort of bundles. They make them put in there and they're wrapped in special ways, and this, that and the other. And you get a good old trusty zippo lighter. Now, I used to use, I used to use these things, which are gas lighters, honestly. Hey, you can see that? What a pain! Straight in the bin, nothing but net. Downtown, 3-pointer. There's the 3-pointer of the week. Now, I'll get back to what I was talking about. Okay, I used to use those, but I much prefer zippos. The reason being, they've got wind baffles on them. So when I'm putting air in, like this, those gas ones were going out, whereas a zippo, they sort of hold together quite well. I'm just hoping I've got enough lighter fluid in it. I haven't filled it for a couple of days. And I'm hoping the paper's not wet. Now this is going to get really, really smoky. And the only reason it's smoky is because the paper I'm burning. And the newsprint and ink and all that other stuff. So I'll get that going. And some of the charcoal that I've used before I put on top. And then just whack a bit of air into it. I told you it's going to get smoky. But as soon as that's alight, the smoke disappears. You're just going to have to red this for a bit. That's still paper burning at the moment. All I want that to do is to light the charcoal so the charcoal starts to glow. And there we go. That to me is a pretty easy way of lighting the pool. Where this isn't just a normal glow, this is a heat resistant one. And if you can look in there, that's got there you go. And that is hot enough to heat steel. which is what we might as well do right about now.